This 2026 Alliance RV Avenue, all-access 23 megaliters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.